Hi, let's talk about Scopus BioPharma. It's a company that currently doubles itself in one trading day, 114% we see here. And yeah, it's a biopharmaceutical company that focuses on developing transformation, therapeutics targeting serious diseases. Follow friends should not consider investment advice. There's a lot of risks since they put it on in they had IPO in December where the price went pretty highly up, highest point 47.86, and yeah, last trading date it closed actually at 596, and currently it's 13 or actually 12.61. So they double in one trading day, and that is a highly volatile share price. And yeah, it has earnings are forecasted to decline by an average of 22% per year over the next 3 years, has less than 1 year cash runway, and it's currently unprofitable and not forecasted to become profitable in the next 3 years, and does not have meaningful market cap, which is 94 million, and it has no revenue at all, I think. But let's research. Yeah, the price went pretty much up since the last product update and also earnings update. Market performance since they had been only 5 months from the IPO. There's no 1 year return data, but we see here 90 days minus 40%. Yeah, long-term price volatility considers lowest because they don't have the 5 year, which is needed to relieve the volatility. And valuation side, simple Wall Street, neither the tip ranks does not have the price target, but the Market Watch has. It's currently $20, so there is high chances that it might double once again, but nobody knows when and how, and is it even possible. But anyway, there is a stock price targets based on analyst of the $20. But of course they can change the price targets. For example, one of the mine stocks where had been 300% upside, they changed it to something around less than 10%. So be careful with valuation stuff and so on, or be careful of the stocks where they don't degenerate the sales even. So it's purely speculation on that. But those who made good investment early, they probably profit over 100%. So congratulations to those investors. As we can see, future growth, the forecast annual earning growth is forecasted to decrease by 22%. And here we see actually the dynamic from 2019 through 2020. The earnings are just declining, an average of the quarter, yeah, minus 10 million. It's forecasted that it could grow through the year till the end of the year, and then it's forecasted to decline, yeah, even through like till the end of 2025. So this is actually pretty risky investment, but those who are long term, why not? Earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to decline. So be careful with those kind of stocks. Past performance minus 88, annual earning growth, yeah, we saw this in the last, and currently it's unprofitable. Financial health side, yeah, they do have, currently the equity level is covering the depth, and yeah, they do have a cash 8 million, depth 2.5, equity 4. So debt to equity ratio is 61%, considers high, and they also had negative shareholder equity with high level of debt. I think this jump from there with the cash and equity were made by putting more shares out. So it's good for the company, bad for the investors, but it's kind of things that a company need to avoid those situations where the borrowed money is getting up and equity is going down. So to avoid that, for example, bankruptcy and so on. Balance sheet looks like this, and they're not paying dividends. Ownership breakdown, let's have a look. Yeah, so there's actually buying. Last February they were buying at $10 per share. So if we look at this one, February, actually, yeah, those are minus 30. Yeah, it's only currently they're like plus 22%. They had to wait. They had to be at the back holding few months. But anyway, this is a good sign. No, not so significant amount of the transactions, because we talk about max price 30,000, less than 1,000. Ownership breakdown, insiders, yeah, mostly is insiders, 47%, general public 40, private companies 8.6, institutions 3.8, and they are all adding. Okay, here we see here that there's a company decreased in March. As I said earlier, it's a highly volatile share price. It has the down dynamic, and then we see the volumes are getting very high, 30 million based on 50, 30, 20k volume. So there's potentially could something happen, but always be careful. Shares outstanding keep increasing, that I have no sales. And also I made the Yahoo Finance, so I didn't find the company in buy catalyst list. So actually we see here that they are immuno-oncology gene therapy for the treatment of various cancers, which include this one and a STAT3 inhibitor gene therapy that drives tumor cell growth and anti-tumor immune suppression. And the company was formerly known as the Project 18, and then they changed to this name in December 2017. This is actually, the company was incorporated in 2017, and it has headquarters in New York. And also I want to share this one. So those who entered at the IPO, they are currently minus 44%, and before that day they were minus 70%. So that is kind of remind what could go possibly wrong entering high volatile shares, company with no revenues, and so on. But based through the Fridays to Mondays, yeah, we see here 100%, which is looking good. Anyway, investing.com, summary of the stock for long-term investors as a buy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a future one.